I'm late everybody. I'm late today, right? I'm late. Oh, we need to change. We need to change the background. Give me a second. There you go. Are we live? Yes, everybody's a billionaire online, you know, on YouTube, Instagram, everybody's a millionaire, you know. So. Are we live? Sound check. Alright everybody, good morning. Good morning, good evening. Yes, everybody, it's a millionaire online, you know, it's everybody, it's famous and rich and, you know, you're looking at those guys, you know, and I mean, come on, you know. Anyway, everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and the other streaming platforms. Happy Thursday, right? Thursday, all right. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was late. I'm sorry. Welcome to the Technical Forex and Crypto Trading Course 101, everybody. Remember, the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader potentially in 3 years. All millionaires are all millionaires are on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. You know, nobody needs to work. You know, I mean, this is easy. You know. Yeah, it's a different world today. You know. Right. Okay, everybody, so never forget you're going to graduate from this course when number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading, number 2, you have your strategy in place, you understand how you win, how you lose, and number 3, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Today we have rules for trading the 3 Fibonacci's part 2. Everybody type in the chat a currency pair that you want to check. Remember, it could not be AUD, NZD, Canada, CHF, USD, CHF. It cannot be USD, CHF. It cannot be Euro, GBP. Okay, everybody? By the way, we have a lot of news events this week. Give me a second, everybody. Internet is slow today. Give me a second. Let's check Forex Factory. Give it a second. So today it's 12, right? So we had the AUD, and then we had, yesterday we had CAT and AUD again, and wow, the CHF, right? Let me check CHF JPY. CHF JPY. I was calling this Lambo trade, man, for I'm not sure about 2 years or 3 years. Good morning, boss. Douglas, you're the boss. Douglas, I posted the draft of my new book on Skype. If you want to download it. Some of you guys are in the book, so if you want to change the okay, CHF JPY, the Lambo trade, they cut, so still going down. Very good. Wow, nice. CHF JPY, yes, all good. Everybody give me a second. So they cut the CHF, right? And I'm sorry, you know, the J4, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm not, I believe J4X doesn't have the CHF index. Give me a second, everybody. Maybe I'm wrong. Patterns, replay, new order widget, oh hi. I'm not even sure where to overlay instrument, alright, so let me see. Money market CFDs, cryptocurrencies 33, bonds 80, stocks indices, dollar index, JPY index. Let me see everybody. I'm going to get out of this one because also the JPY index is good for us. and classes. I'm going to open classes, but I want to find the CHF index first. In the meantime, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair. So we're going to continue trying to make a few trades, and next week we start with the Forex trading week, where we are going to apply what we have learned so far into the live market. All right, so indexes: yen, JPN, give me a second, everybody. Come on, JPN, let me see, JPN index. Let's go to the monthly. Douglas, can you double check if this is the data? I don't believe it's correct. JPY index. Not sure, because the yen index was falling down and down and down and down, and here it's showing that it's strong and strong and strong. I'm not sure this is the yen index anyway. And let me see. Well, we should. Oh, so we should have the CHA index. Let me check. CHA index, Switzerland. Oh, all right. So it's not. Yeah, all right. It's no. Those are the. It's not a currency index, right? Nah, it's not a currency index. All right. Okay, so not okay, everybody. No indexes here. All right. Anyway, CHF, they cut the interest rate, so AUD CHF, especially because we had the news announcement from AUD, right? And it was good news announcement for AUD, and CHF they cut, so logically AUD CHF shooting up. AUD CHF. AUD CHF, everybody, still today. Okay, so it's on the CHF. And again, you know, freaking propaganda on YouTube. Alright. Okay, everybody, any currency pairs? Otherwise, I'm going to go with ANZD CAD. Learn how to trade the 3 Fibonacci's. First comes, first is served. There is no right or wrong. And by the way, give me a second. All right, we're almost there. Yeah, I'm going to... Douglas, did you short CHF JPY maybe? Or anybody else, did you short CHF JPY? Just maybe. I'm going to short now right now. Alright, I'm in the market. God help us. Japan is about to increase the interest rate by next year if the inflation does. I'm shorting. Okay, very good. Me too. Okay, everybody, ends the cat so far. If there are no requests on currency pairs, please type in the chat. First comes, first is served. So what you are seeing, everybody, is the ANZD CAD monthly chart. You have the original Fibonacci going down. Euro dollar maybe? Alright, euro dollar. Yeah, why not? Euro dollar, right? It's the most traded pair. Alright, everybody, let's open euro dollar. Euro dollar, euro dollar. Alright, euro dollar. We are going to short CHF. Everybody, don't try to do what I do, alright? Remember, these streams are not trading or investment advice. Okay, everybody, don't try to copy what we do. You need to find your own way, your own strategy. Learn from us, but don't try to copy us, all right? It's not going to work for you. Okay? There is a lot of training behind us. Make sense, everybody? Don't try to copy what we do. Alright, everybody, all the rules apply to all Fibonacci's and on all time frames. Every Fibonacci can have the contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Yes, also the contrarian Fibonacci can have a contrarian Fibonacci and the Fibonacci of the confirmation. When comparing larger time frames and smaller time frame, it's possible that the contrarian Fibonacci or the confirmation Fibonacci on the larger time frame is the original and or the Fibonacci of the confirmation on the smaller time frame. By the way, today we're giving support to the Aston Martin company, you know. Alright, everybody, so man, I don't know how to pronounce your name. DFS. I took 3 stop losses on GBP/USD. All 3 trades were buys within the 5-minute time frame. What do you think of this asset? Do you also have a bullish forecast? I think you don't have enough knowledge, number one. I think DSF that you should not trade live accounts until you prove yourself 6 months of profitable trading on the demo account. And I absolutely think you should not trade on the 5-minute chart. Yes, right. I'm not sure if you can see, everybody, you know, what they give me, you know, the boss, right? Can you see it? Camera. They gave me. All right. Do you also have a bullish forecast? DSF, the forecast is based on the time frame that you trade. Okay. And if you're new, please go to Dukascopy. Everybody, if you are new to the show, please go to Dukascopy Academy. Alright, and here you click playlists. And here you have Forex and Crypto 101 and start to learn. It's for free. Lesson number 1. Here you have full systematic Forex course, DSF. Okay, it's the same context, you know, just years ago. So, okay, everybody, Forex course 101 2022, it's all the same context. Okay, start to watch video number 1, video number 2, and start to learn and come back with questions. But long story short, the forecast is based on the time frame that you trade, alright? You have 2 traders staring at the same chart, DFS. Okay, now both one trader can buy the market, one trader, another trader can sell the market, you know. Both can win, you know, looking at the same chart, and both can lose if they don't know what they're doing. Okay, that's my opinion. Thanks for the questions. Everybody ask more questions if you have. Alright, everybody, when comparing larger time frames and smaller time frame, it's possible that the contrarian Fibonacci on the larger time frame is the original and or the Fibonacci on the confirmation on the smaller time frame. Okay. DFS, do you want me to check the GBP USD for you and talk about the visual? I had a request on Euro Dollar about the Fibonacci's, but we can check on GBP USD, everybody. Okay, I'm going to wait for the answer on DSF. Alright, everybody, so you have the down original Fibonacci on the monthly chart. And you have the contrarian going up and the Fibonacci of the confirmation Fibonacci. Let's change colors on this one if I have. And I don't have it, I need to change colors. But I don't have time, so. And this is the confirmation Fibonacci so far, everybody. Okay. It looks like that. No, I'm not arrogant, DSF, you know, Come on, I'm a nice guy. You know, everybody, you have all the extra courses, you know. If you would learn how to use the index course, that you would know that the dollar is strong, right? Make sense, everybody? Can you see that euro dollar is getting so far today, right now, it's getting out of consolidation. All right. And just quickly, right? If we would check, so still here, if we would check F11, if we would check just quickly AUD USD, and if we would check just quickly NZD USD, not to talk about GBP USD, if you talk NZD USD, you know, bars, not bars, candles. Give it a second. So euro dollar on the month is getting out of consolidation, you can see it. And AUD USD on the daily chart, it's making lower highs. The dollar is strong. DSF, can you see it? AUD is falling down. And NZD USD on the daily chart, can you see it? The DSF is going down, making lower highs. Boss, what has the AUD USD daily chart and the NZD USD daily chart and euro dollar monthly chart to do with GBP USD on the 5 minute? Everything has everything to do. You are trading against the trends. Does this make sense? The DSF and everybody else, pat yourself on the back. There is a lot to learn. Okay, everybody, but can you see that the dollar is strong? Euro is falling, AUD USD is falling, NZD USD is falling. What do you think is going to happen with GBP USD, you know? Beware of news announcements, exactly. Okay, I'm going to wait for DSF to tell me if he wanted or she want to check the GBP USD, everybody. So, but anyway, everybody, which one is winning so far is the original Fibonacci winning, so we should sell euro dollar on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Is the confirmation winning, so we should sell euro dollar on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? Or is the contrarian winning, so we should buy the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart? What do you think? In the meantime, everybody, I'm going to build my I didn't even save. Okay, here, so save. This is the original Fibonacci, saved. And now I'm going to change colors, white and white and white, to show the contrarian. And this is going to be third violet, and this is going to be the third violet, and I believe it's all right. Okay, and we're going to save this contrarian Fibonacci. Everybody, there is no right or wrong. What do you think? Should you sell euro dollar? We're going together, but step by step. Should you sell euro dollar today? Tomorrow might be another story, but today, should you short euro dollar or should you buy euro dollar? What do you think? On all time frames, 5 minutes too. Douglas is going to laugh like Julius said. There is a lot to learn. There is a lot to learn, everybody. By the way, DSF and everybody else, if you didn't receive the free manual, this one, no, this is the book, you know, professional trader course, free manual, everybody send me an email, alright? DSF, DFS, alright? Send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com if you didn't receive the free manual, everybody. And if you want the little book of trading secrets with this beautiful guy. You can also visit the www.fxbossfx.com, alright? Let's make a poll, everybody. Euro dollar, should we buy right now or should we sell right now? Even the 5-minute chart, based on what you see on the monthly. No, I'm not joking. Why would I joke? No, this is not a suggestion. We are here to learn. And today we have rules for trading the 3 Fibonacci's part 2. Answering to DFS, everybody. It's also, you must learn that you have the short-term view of the market, you have the medium-term view of the market, you have the long-term view of the market, alright? So you can go short-term in one direction, but then you know that you must go long-term in the other direction. There is a lot to learn in here, sure. Okay? And nonetheless, not just DSF, but everybody, you are going to go from 0 to a millionaire trader in 3 years. Everybody, not in 6 months, not in 1 year, 3 years on average. Because you are first an analyst. You are not a trader yet, you are first an analyst, everybody. Never forget this one. Right? How to become a professional trader in an institutional way. Broker, hedge fund, investment bank, like Dukascopy, you are first an analyst. Then if you do good a few years, you know, then you're going to be a senior analyst. And if you do good for a few years, then you're going to be promoted to be a portfolio manager or a trader, you know, whatever. Not everybody accepts, you know. Yes, exactly. Analysts are not good analysts are not necessarily good traders. Good traders are also good analysts. The trader and the analyst, those two are two different animals, not the same, not the same. Euro dollar weekly chart. So the market was in consolidation. As you can see, everybody, the market was in consolidation. Did I just delete pivot points? Where is the back button? There you go. I deleted the pivot. Okay, so this one out, trend line. Okay, everybody. So far, I mean, right now, the weekly tomorrow might be another story, but so far the weekly candle, it's pressing down, is pushing down. Okay, so there is still a fight between bulls and bears, but so far it's pushing down. And F11, the Fibonacci, original Fibonacci, is up, as you can see, everybody. Now let's plot the contrarian on the daily. Remember, the contrarian Fibonacci on the daily chart could be the confirmation Fibonacci on the weekly and or monthly. So that's the contrarian on the daily. And white goes to white, contrarian on the daily. Still white goes to white, if I'm not mistaken. There you go, and we are here right now. We are going to see how this goes. Everybody give me a second, I'm not seeing the questions. YouTube is making me problems. Alright. This is not a strategy, everybody. Remember, this is not trading or investment advice, but we have a counter trendline break, and Euro, it's going down for the last 4 days. Today it's Thursday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Euro is falling. All right. If the euro breaks this low, this is an indication, not a confirmation, that the market is going to retrace and it's going to go down. Okay, it's an indication, not a confirmation. Okay, everybody, now let's check DFS. It's quiet, but you know, there may be somebody else who is waiting for GBP USD. GBP USD. Everybody, listen to me, you're going to lose money. Don't trade the 5-minute chart on the Forex. Don't trade the 15-minute chart. Alright, start with the 1 hour if you're new. Start with the 2 hours if you're new. Okay. In order for you to make consistent money on the 15-minute chart as a day trader, you must be very, very, very skilled. Okay. All right, GBP USD monthly chart. We have an up Fibonacci, and we have the Fibonacci, the confirmation too, which is here. And I need to, okay. Those are the candles. So the view on the monthly chart, yes, it's bullish. Okay, now let's go to the, yes, a lot of beginner traders. Yes, stop loss is an issue also, right? Everybody see this candle, see this, it's called, you don't need to learn the names anyway, you know. See this doji candle on the weekly chart, the undecision candle. You have no chance of making it on the 5-minute chart and 15-minute chart when this candle happens. Zero chance for you. Does this make sense? The undecision candles, okay, everybody, because the market is going to go up, 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 and down, 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 and it's going to stop in between. And it's going to hit all of your stop losses on the 5-minute chart. Does this make sense? All right. So GBP USD on the weekly chart. As you can see, everybody, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, bam, lower low. So talking about the short-term trend, DFS, the GBP USD, it's not in an uptrend anymore. Trade what you see. It's not in an uptrend anymore. It's in a downtrend, right? I know you're not going to listen to me anyway, don't worry. Right, Douglas? 80%, this is the Douglas pen. 80% of you guys are never going to make it, or you're going to become a pizza trader. Oh, boss, this was harsh. This is statistics, everybody. This is not mine. This is statistics. Make sense? Those statistics are proven and time tested so far. 90% of world population, it's not making it as a trader. And from the 10% who makes it, 80% become a pizza trader. Only 20% of the remaining become the rich money earners. You know, they have the Lambos and the Astons. And, you know. Make sense? Boss, why is that? You don't want to hear this. You don't want to hear this. It's a learnable skill. Douglas knows it, you know. Alexander is learning. Alexander is learning, you know. What is this all about, right, Alexander? What is this business about? By the way, Alexander, did you build a strategy? It's all good. We are all the same. Come on. But retail traders believe that this profession is about the chart, and that how money is produced is the strategy. Not enough. Not enough. The chart, we're looking at the charts, we're using the strategies, but it's not enough. And I'm telling everybody, I keep repeating myself and I'm boring, right? This business is not what you think it is, believe me. Right, Alexander? We had just the first lesson in the Forex course 202, the Advanced Institutional Trader course. Right, Alexander? This business is not what you think it is. You know, how money is produced, how the institutional trader understands the market and the making of the money. This is Douglas said. Retail trader has no knowledge about it. It's not a secret, but it's all about knowledge, right? Okay, GBP USD weekly chart moving forward. Let's see why our friend lost on the 5-minute. 5-minute chart. That's the daily up Fibonacci. We were projecting the market going here to past resistance. Sub A, sub B, sub C, sub D. I deleted the sub C out. Whoops. Give me a second. Out. See everybody? Don't trade the 5-minute chart. You have a short-term uptrend, but then the daily it's crashing you. Can you see? Especially if you're a beginner or intermediate, don't trade the 5-minute chart. I don't care what you watched on TikTok videos, other YouTube videos, you know, Instagram videos, whatever. Don't trade the 5-minute chart. Start with a 2-hour, 4-hour, learn about the market first, and then gradually, you know. Yes, you can trade the 15-minute chart, but you must be a very skilled day trader. Alright? What is it then, boss? It is sell or buy and put your stop loss out of the monthly bands. It seems that way it ascends with reason. What is a sell or a buy on GBP USD? Well, we have an answer in the advanced course according to your strategy. According to your strategy. Make sense? Signals don't work. Did anybody sign for a signal service? They are selling you signals for, I mean, this is not new. They are selling you signals for the last 10 years. Entry here, buy there, stop loss there, take profit there. Did anybody sign for signal services? What did you find out? Did anybody find any expert advisor robots? What did you find out? I'm going to tell you what you find out. It doesn't work. It works for the provider of a signal service because he's selling you a product. It works for the expert advisor programmer because he's selling you a product, but it doesn't work for you, does it? I did all of this 20 years ago. Come on. I did all the mistakes. I did all the stupid things. That's why I'm telling you. You need to find your own way. You need to build your own strategy. Date. Okay. You need to train and practice and get confident. And you need to stop asking questions. Make sense, everybody? It's a level, you know, so you don't have, it's normal. Me too, back in time, 20 years ago, you know, I was looking for the confirmation from other analysts, you know, if I'm buying euro dollar, who else is buying euro dollar? This is because you're not confident in what you do, agreed? And it's normal, pat yourself on the back, you know, you don't have enough experience. But 1 year, 2 years, 3 years in the making, 4 years, you grow your experience. And you know that most likely your analysis and how you trade, it's much better than the other people analysis, right? Make sense, everybody? this is Forex course 2 conversation again. Your strategy is personal to you. Make sense? That's why I'm telling you, don't try to do what I do. Don't try to copy what I do. Try to learn. You know, try to learn the mindset, right? This is worth the money and the value. Try to learn the mindset. You know, why this professional trader sees the market like this? Why this professional trader trades the market like that? Why this professional trader is short? Why this professional trader is long? You know, what's the mindset behind? I don't speak English. I'm translating my word using a translator. I'm watching all the videos from Lucas Copy Forex and Crypto. I have a defined trading plan. I just wanted to see your view on the chart, see if I'm trading correctly in the right direction. There is a downtrend line on the monthly chart where the price is respecting on GBP USD. Now you are not trading correctly, everybody. Not just DFS. Unless you get the right knowledge, you are not trading correctly. Okay, you can translate this maybe. This applies to everybody, not just the DSF. Okay, everybody. Unless you learn the right knowledge, everybody, unless you learn the right knowledge, you are not trading correctly. Okay, everybody, not just the friend. Okay. Making money, it's not just about the charts. Making money, it's not just about the charts. Douglas is going to laugh. There is a lot to learn that you don't know, and that's good news. Okay, everybody, and that's good news. Alexander, what would you say? You're in the advanced institutional trader course. It's all about the charts, Alexander. There is a downtrend line on the monthly chart where the price is respecting to GBP USD. No. You need to learn about the monthly bands. GBP USD, it's up. My opinion, my humble opinion. Unless you learn the right knowledge, you are not trading correctly. Making money, it's not just about the charts. There is a lot to learn. Now, before we finish for today, for the friend who doesn't speak English, let's go on the 5-minute chart, right? And see what he did. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Give me a second. 5-minute chart. The mark, it depends when, so 5-minute chart, you know, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. You know, this market is in a downtrend on the 5-minute chart. Okay, I'm not sure where the friend was buying, but see how easy to lose money on the 5-minute charts, everybody. What you're looking at right now, it's called noise. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Alright, everybody, our time is up. Sorry I was late today for our chart. Don't trade the 5-minute chart. Let's write for the friend that doesn't speak English. Don't trade the 5-minute chart. Don't trade the 5-minute chart. Start with 1 hour. Don't trade the 5-minute chart, start with the 1 hour chart. I'm making money. If making money is not about the chart, then it's buy or sell and putting the stop loss out of the monthly band. It seems the way, boss. No, it's not enough. Not enough. Talk to Alexander. Everybody, trading is a learnable skill. Yes, it is. But if this would be that easy, everybody would be a millionaire, right? Date. It's a learnable skill, you can absolutely make it, but if it would be that easy, and there is a 90% failure rate all around the world, doctors, lawyers, pilots, architects, quantum physicists, movie stars, 90% failure. It's a learnable skill, and there is 90% failure. Trading the chart is not enough. Alright everybody, see you back.